We're tapping for people who push your buttons, who make you wish that you could be a little calmer when you run into them. But they're so arrogant. They're so selfish. They're so conceited. What pushes your buttons? Can you think of somebody who makes you crazy? Let's do some tapping. Even though some people just rub me the wrong way, I love and accept that the universe is inside of me. Even though some attitudes make me want to tell the person exactly what I think, I love and forgive myself. Even though I judge these people, I choose to appreciate them instead of reacting. Tapping through the points. Oops. I hate that attitude. And say it after me, you guys. Who do they think they are? How can they act that way? Why aren't they embarrassed? Everyone knows it's wrong to be selfish. It's wrong to be conceited. It's wrong to be mean or to push your opinions on other people. How can they be such an idiot? I hate people who are that way. It makes me so mad. It's wrong to be a complainer. It's wrong to act too smart, especially if you're a woman. It's wrong to be a show-off. Doesn't this person have a mother? I learned from my parents there are good behaviors and there are bad behaviors. And I learned to never let those bad behaviors out. I remember a time when I was mean. I pinched my little cousins in their crib. And that was wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. I never told anybody. And I've been judging myself since I was 3. Is there anything you did that you've never told anybody about? It is absolutely wrong to be mean. When I see people hurting other people or animals, I just can't stand it. I am still judging myself. But I am the universe in miniature. So I have all the attributes inside of me. I have all of the emotions. Attitudes and emotions are not good or bad. Without sad, we can't be happy. Without anger, we can't recognize peace. Without selfish, we can't be giving. Without hate, we don't know love. How about those rules that my parents taught me? A lot of those rules teach us to keep playing small. It's better to be seen than heard. Don't get too big for your britches. Don't brag. Don't ask for anything. Don't be a whiner. Don't ever think you're important. Don't ever put yourself first. It's better to give than to receive. Do you have other ones that I missed? Put your own in. If everybody lived by these rules, we wouldn't have any leaders. In fact, I'm not sure we ever would have moved out of the cave. We need the innovators. We need the teachers. We need the leaders. Think of somebody you really respect. If that person had not allowed themselves to break some of these rules, would we even know who they are? Often the attitude we see in others is one that we have denied in ourselves. Have you noticed that until you recognize and accept in you some of these attitudes, they keep showing up? What pattern shows up for you? I can remember when I was showing off. I was told that it was not all right to show off. It could have been a teacher, could have been our parents, could have been a best friend. I was so happy with what I'd learned. And then I was so ashamed and embarrassed that I could have ever thought I was that special. But I'm not that little child anymore. And I am special. I have unique gifts to share with the world. Each one of us does. It's hard to break the rules, but I am grateful for the people who show me which rules I'm breaking or not breaking. I'm still living with. To feel whole, I want to accept all of me. To allow some bad behavior, the show-off, the idiot, the selfish one, even the mean one. They all have gifts for us. And if we're not selfish, how will we ever have anything to give someone else? I don't want to be perfect. Perfect is boring. I forgive myself for being confused in the past. I am all attitudes and emotions. And that's the way it's supposed to be. I'm amazing. I'm awesome. I accept all of me. And as I do, I can accept all of you. Take a breath. Thank you, Shirley, Maureen, Yuda. That was a lot. What came up for you? Write it down and thank those people who drive you crazy. Thank you for doing this for yourselves.